Tape Incorporated at GMA7 naglabas ng pahayag tungkol sa pamamaalam ng tahanang pinakamasaya. Naglabas na ng opisyal na pahayag ang Television and Production Exponent or Tape Incorporation kaugnay sa pamamaalam ng kanilang noontime show na tahanang pinakamasaya na umeere sa GMA Network sa pamamagitan ng Block Time Agreement. Opisyal nang huminto ang pag-ere ng replay episode na nagsimula noong Lunes, Marso 4 hanggang ngayong Huwebes, Marso 6. Marso 2 nang opisyal nang namaalam sa ere ang host nito sa pangunguna ni na dating Manila City Mayor Isko Moreno at Paulo Contis na ikinabigla ng marami dahil tila ang bilis daw. Simula Biyernes, Marso 8, hindi na e-ere ang replay episode sa GMA Network. Sa kabilang banda, nagpasalamat naman ang tape sa pamunuan ng GMA Network na naging tahanan nila sa higit dekada simula noong Itbulaga ng TVJ. It is with a heavy heart that we inform our televiewers that our noontime show Tahanang Pinakamasaya on Kapuso Network GMA7 will no longer be on air effective March 8, 2024. Tape Incorporated extends its profound gratitude to its home network GMA7 for a long and fruitful partnership. GMA7's kind consideration and understanding of the company's unwanted circumstances have been instrumental in helping the company in this transition. Despite our best efforts to save the show, both parties have reached a mutual agreement to finally call off the show. To the loyal viewers, esteemed hosts, supportive advertisers, hardworking crew, and dedicated employees who have been with us from the beginning. From the longest-running noontime show Itbulaga to the present Tahanang Pinakamasaya, our sincerest thank you and optimistic see you again. Samantala nagbigay na rin ng opisyal na pahayag ang GMA Network kaugnay rito. Narito nga ang kanilang pahayag. GMA Network would like to thank Tape for its invaluable contribution to noontime programming for the past decades, which Filipinos will surely remember for many years to come. The network will always be grateful to Tape for its partnership over the past decades. Maraming salamat, Kapuso. Buong pahayag naman ng GMA Network. Wala pang malinaw na pahayag ang Kapuso Network kung anong show ang ipapalit dito. Bagamat nagkaroon na ng mga adjustments sa mga show sa hapon.